Hello and welcome to our video on the truth about cryptocurrency, myths and facts. As an expert in this field, I'm excited to share with you some valuable insights on this topic. Let's start by debunking some common myths surrounding cryptocurrency. First off, it's not just a tool for illegal activities. While it's true that criminals have used cryptocurrency for money laundering and other illegal transactions, the vast majority of cryptocurrency users are law-abiding citizens who see the value in decentralized, secure transactions. Another myth is that cryptocurrency is too complex and difficult to understand. While it's true that the underlying technology can be complex, using cryptocurrency itself is actually quite simple. With user-friendly interfaces and intuitive wallets, anyone can get started with cryptocurrency in a matter of minutes. Now let's move on to some important facts about cryptocurrency. Firstly, it's a highly volatile asset. While this can be daunting for some investors, it's also what makes cryptocurrency such an exciting and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Another fact to consider is that cryptocurrency is still in its early stages of adoption. While it's been around for over a decade now, it's only recently started to gain mainstream attention. As more and more people start to see the value in decentralized currency, the potential for growth and innovation is enormous. And here's the bonus point: one of the most important things to keep in mind when dealing with cryptocurrency is to always do your research and invest responsibly. With so many different coins and tokens out there, it can be easy to get caught up in the hype and invest in something that's not right for you. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a fascinating and rapidly evolving space with a lot of potential for growth and innovation. By understanding the truth about cryptocurrency and separating fact from fiction, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and navigate this exciting new world of finance.